Hi guys! For today's video, we're going to make a banana cake! And this is our ingredients. Sugar, brown and white, flour, egg, banana, vanilla essence, baking powder, salt, and milk. And now, I've already prepared everything. And the next procedure is I will going to mix it all. First, mashed banana. Charan. And then, egg. With milk. Butter. And the last is vanilla. Mix. Next is our dry items. Baking powder. Next is baking soda. And then pinch of salt. And the last is sugar. And now, we're going to mix all together. Now here guys, ready to cook! Charan! Now this is my baking pan. We are going to transfer it and steam for 45 minutes. Let's put. Now this is ready and we're going to steam for 45 minutes. Okay. This is the finished product of my steamed banana cake.